Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, so this is kind of the casino area on the Macau side. There's two casino areas, and there's Taipa, Cotai Strip, and there's also Macau. So this one we're going to be walking by the MGM and also the Wynn Casino, and you're going to see a few others like Star World and President, Lisboa, Grand Lisboa. So you'll see a handful in this area, and this is kind of the main street that walks down this area where they're all to the left if you walk in this direction. So and it's actually also named after a calendar date, so I'll let the Portuguese among us or Macanese among us or the historian among us to let us know exactly why that date is important for Macau/Portugal. And anyways, we're going to be checking out the casino strip with all the gold shops, and the tourists are walking around a little bit, and well, you'll see. I know you just want to get into it, and so do I, so let's do it. Macau. Okay, we're gonna be going down that street in just a moment. That one that has like all the lights down it. And just to kind of give you an idea, we're at MGM, which is right here. And then this goes down the waterfront. It goes all the way down to Macau Tower. And there's kind of mangroves and kind of a water thing over here. But anyways, we're gonna go down that street with all the neon lights and the casinos. So there it is from another angle. MGM with the lion, and Wynn is down that way as well. In case you didn't know, this is not the biggest area of casinos in Macau. This is just the Macau side. The big side is over on the Cotai Strip. And the Cotai Strip would be, you have to basically go over this bridge over here, you go over this little ocean body over here, and over there there's Taipa, there's an island over there on the other side. And that would be where the Cotai Strip is at with all the bigger casinos. Not that these aren't big, but there's definitely other ones around. So we're going to be walking across this street and going all the way down that way, but you can see the MGM in all of its grandness. Yeah, it's pretty cool at nighttime. We're just waiting for that red light to change. I hear it clicking. There it is. So now we got our green light, so we can actually go down MGM. And then this is Sun Yat-sen, and there's some bars all the way down that way. You can also see all the MGM things like that, especially this building right here. It's because it's so unique. And the Wynn as well. Okay, and now we're going to be walking down this street. Got some construction, and then we got some black and white Portuguese style pavements in this area. And you're also going to see a lot of gold shops down this way as well. So we'll walk by all of those things in due time. Got a McDonald's right here. This kind of serves some of the casino crowd. And actually you're going to see a lot of stuff that's going to serve the casino crowd down the street. Especially all the gold shops that you're going to see later. Okay, so you can start to see it already. So this shop right here will have stuff like mo tai. So the mo tai is Chinese alcohol. Yeah, hey. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Yeah, we got all these nice lights everywhere too. So all the way down, this goes towards the cultural centers down that way, the Fisherman's Wharf, and you're gonna see also that this area has it says Cidade de Braga. That's because this street has all these Portuguese city names that that are in this Nape area. So this space, this street down here is called Cidade de Braga, or Braga City, named after a city in Portugal. But our main street right here has a different name, of course. Down that way is the Wynn Casino. You see all the lights coming on. There's some hotels here too. Here's the Ascot Center is over here. I think that one is called the Panagon. Lots of people kind of hanging out. And then let me just kind of see. You got some shops and here. So we started down that way. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Then one of the things you're gonna see again is this city is called, this street is called Porto. So it says Cidade de Porto right there. So that's named after the city of Porto in Portugal as well. There's the MGM Casino, Wynn Casino. So now we're going to come up into all the gold shops. People really like seeing this. So you got watches. People will kind of shy away from the camera a little bit. Got a bus stop over here. Let me walk. It's a bus stop. And you got the MGM and the Wynn. You can see the Wynn up there as well. And you still got your black and white Portuguese tile streets. And now you got loaded up with pharmacies, watches, cell phones, all kinds of stuff. And this caters towards the mainlander market. So a lot of them will come and buy pharmaceutical stuff, mobile phones. Oops. Pretty cool, all the lights, bow tie. So we just kind of capture this from the side because it's quite beautiful at nighttime. And you can also see this Coimbra sign as well, so check that out at night. It's really beautiful. And then Coimbra is another street in Portugal as well. That's the street that we're walking on. There's our street name, Avenida de 24 de Junho. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. Now we got a Grand Ois building with angels and such. Looks really nice. Yeah, these streets, like way down there is Sands Casino. You can see it way down in the orange, all the way down. But pretty cool. MGM and Wynn. I think these are the two largest casinos in this area. Amazing. It's really, really cool. Very photogenic. Okay, so now we're gonna keep on walking. It's a jewelry shop right there. You can see Grand Lisboa, Wynn, Chautaifuk. We're gonna keep on walking down. You see the Star World is the one that's kind of bright blue up there. We're gonna walk to that, basically. Hotel La Arc. That's where we're at now. Keep on meandering through. Is that a taxi driver? Oh no, he's a passenger. Pretty mad. So lost some money. So here's the Arc Macau. Here's another casino as well. La Arc Casino. So keep on walking all the way down to the end. Give you a full idea of what this whole street looks like. I think they're waiting for a bus to the border, probably. There's a lot of buses that take people to the immigration points. Stefano Ricci. Okay. So I kind of want to turn around in a moment. But that's a Star Road right there. I think the street is probably named after a Portuguese street as well. Don't know the name. But I can see that's what that looks like. And then Star Road is straight up that way. And we're gonna go one more block. Oh yeah, this is named Santarém, so it's also a city in Portugal as well. Okay, so we're almost at the end of the street. Actually, the street will come all the way out to the end here. And this is the Star World. And then you can see President, Grand Lisboa, Queen. That car started to pull in this way. I don't know if that's legal or illegal for him to come out, but must be legal. Must be parking right here. Okay. I guess he parks right there. Shouldn't do that, but now you can see the end. I think you can start to see Star Road up there. And mostly I'm coming over because for one, it's really photogenic in this spot, and then two, I have a good shot of this sign right here. All right.